Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to fix a smelly dishwasher. Now, your dishwasher may seem fresh after completing a cycle, but if it starts to smell a bit stale or just generally unpleasant, it's a sign of a build-up of bacteria. Over time, undissolved detergent, larger food particles and limescale can build up in your machine, causing bad odours. Limescale deposits are particularly harmful if you live in a hard water area, as they can build up on the element, which is the part that heats the water in your machine. This can cause a bigger problem over time, as the limescale covered element is more likely to fail. The ideal way to get rid of both limescale and smells in one go is to use a 2-in-1 cleaner that both descales and sanitises. Our very own eSpares branded product gets the job done and is super easy to use. One sachet of this powerful powder will remove limescale, detergent and grease from the internal parts of your dishwasher. This will flush out any bacteria living in your machine and keep it smelling fresh. Now, before you use the cleaner, it's a good idea to clean the filter. So if I just open up the machine and remove the basket, we can see that the filter is located at the base of the machine here. Now, the filter is designed to catch food debris, broken shards of glass and crockery before they make their way into the internal parts of the machine, like the pump. Remove any large food particles by removing the filter out of the base of your machine, giving it a good rinse under the tap before replacing it. Then all you need to do is pour half of the sachet into the detergent dispenser and then close it like you would with a normal dishwasher tablet. And then pour the other half of the sachet into the base of the dishwasher. Then you need to run a cycle at 60 degrees without a pre-wash, and you should notice the difference straight away. Just make sure that when you use this, that your dishwasher is empty and that you don't use any detergents at the same time. If you live in a hard water area and your appliance hasn't been descaled in the past 6 months, then we recommend using the cleaner once a week for the first month. Then following on from that, one treatment a month will keep your appliance smelling fresh and working at its best. Now, a handy tip for an extra deep clean is to take a second sachet and dissolve it in warm water in a spray bottle. Now, having already done this, I can start to remove any build-up of grease or mould along the door and door seals. One box of our cleaner contains 6 sachets, which is enough to keep your dishwasher clean for half a year. It works on all makes and models of dishwashers and also all makes and models of washing machines as well. We'll link up here and in the description a video on how to tackle your smelly or underperforming washing machine with this cleaner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance maintenance and repair advice videos. If you find that your dishwasher isn't cleaning properly, be sure to check out the video below where we explain how to clean other areas of your dishwasher to solve the problem. Thanks for watching!